Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com.
Open the Jenkins.io. Don't worry, we will ping you the instructions also, right? Once you will do it.
Okay.
Jenkins.io, that's it. Okay, so this is the site, right? Where the Jenkins is there. Now can you click on a download?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you have to understand the two things, right? That's a very important. I'm not sure you are aware. Well, generally, we don't cover for the developers. Basically, you are from the off, so that's the things. We have two different category of that downloads are there. One is called the stable version. Second is called the weekly release, which you can see it at the top.
Right.
Right? And in Jenkins word, after every 12 weeks, that means after 6 sprint, if I am assuming that the 1 sprint duration is 2 weeks, then after 6 sprint, they do the stable release, right? And they do the deployment. And this is called a weekly release. So every week, whatever they do, these things. But the problem at here, if you're going to use the regular release, if something is going to be goof up, then you will not get the support.
Okay.
Okay. So when we're going to think about the production, always go for the stable LTS. And whenever you want to do the POC, I suggest go to with the regular release because you are going to go to latest features.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Yeah. So here you have to think about the stable LTS. Now, can you move down for the? Can you scroll down, please?
Yeah. Let me hide this. Is it?
You have to just scroll down that page.
Oh, no. Yeah, that's fine.
No problem. Yeah, okay, fine. So these are the different versions, just for your knowledge. Left hand side for the LTS, right hand side for the weekly release, right? Now the point at here that we have the different operating systems, right? And accordingly, we have a different versions there, except the Docker.
Right.
The first version is Docker. In case you are aware about a Docker, in case you want to use the Docker versions there, you can download from at here also. And in case you need the more vanilla versions or more customized versions, right? Then always you can go for the hub.docker.com.
Okay.
This is the largest public repository for the Docker files.
Okay. What is that? Hub.docker?
Hub.docker.com. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But here, as you have a Windows machine, let's start with the Windows machine and click on a Windows.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So it is going to install the things on at here.
That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Two things.
Yeah.
Hold on. Two things. One. Can you select the second one?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the things people do the mistake on that part. Until unless you don't know the common account and common password, right? You will not able to use the the second option, which option you have selected that part. By default for the Windows, the account is an admin, just for your knowledge. In case you have to do an admin, the account is an admin, but password is a different. So this approach is not going to work when you're going to do the first time. Because what happened in that part, once you're going to do the installation, right, it is creating the inside the /secure, inside these things, it's going to create a one file, right? Initiate password. There it is, the password is there for this setup, which is an encrypted one, which you have to copy paste at here. But first time you're going to set this thing, so setup is not there on your machine. So you have to select the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. So you should know that, why you are selecting and why we are doing that part.
Okay.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So
Okay,
port number, I
now
will
very
leave
important.
it.
Very good. Just hold on. Generally, by default, port is a 8080. Okay. If you're going to select this port, what's the problem at here? That like a Tomcat and a node stuff and other things also using the 8080. So if everything is going to 8080 state, that the port conflict may become.
Okay.
Right. So in case you want to set up these things, don't set up the 8081 also, because that's also common for the Tomcat and few other things. So you can set up anything, something is there which is not a common port. So you can go for 8082 or the 7000 or something, right? You can start with the 8082. I don't want that, first you run the installation when you have to run the Tomcat, which is the common, web server, and that's also runs it to maybe create a conflict site. So 8082, you have done these things. Now you have to click on a test port. Okay, why the test port is going to do it at the background? This process is basically going to check that this port is assigned to some other process or not at this moment.
Okay.
Okay, now you have to click on the next. Okay, now you can click the next and move on.
Just click on that. To change the verification. 68 MB on the test. Oh, that should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so while it's doing the installation, two important things which most of the DevOps guys even don't know. Okay, it's just I do detail that part. The Jenkins setup work for the Java 8 and Java 11 only.
Okay.
Okay, just for your knowledge.
You're saying just for Jenkins? Okay, Jenkins setup works for Java 8 and Java 11.
11 for 12, 13, 14, 15, even the latest version 16 is not work. For the Java version 9 and 10, it's not worked. Okay, for the setup part. For the setup part, if the installation is already done and you want to run the job maybe work on other Java versions also. And it is not supporting less than Java 8 also. So Java 7 and lesser versions not supporting. So just for your knowledge, because sometimes these are small things, but people don't know and they spend hours to troubleshoot this thing, what was happened, why it's not working.
Okay.
Right. Okay, so it should work on your machine. Is it the firewall or something is there on your machine?
No, I don't think this is my system, so it shouldn't have anything.
Able listings. It should not look for the network connection also. It should work the localhost 8082.
No, wait for a second. It will work. Wait for a second.
Okay.
Hey viewers, our Master in DevOps engineering program can help you to hone the skills necessary to succeed in high-level DevOps positions. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and earn certification that show you are keeping pace with today's technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Okay, now it start working on that side.
Okay, yeah, I need the license.
Now, what you have to do it, you have to just copy the password. So for this thing, what you have to do it, you have to go to this location. You have to open the initiate admin password file. This file you have to open it.
Okay.
So just go right. The other one password is there. You have to put it one time, and after you can change the password.
Okay.
You will not able to open it. You have to one by one you have to move this thing. So you have to go to the C drive and Windows 32 system 32.
System 32. 32. Where was it? System 32 config
system profile.
No, it's
no. So it will ask you. It will ask you if you are an admin, then you will able to open it. Otherwise, not.
Oh yeah, I mean, I am the admin. There is no other this one.
Okay. So if you are going to click this thing, it will ask you whether as the admin you have to go mark as yes, and then you will unless you will not open able to file these things, you will. Yeah.
Let me see. Yes, like, oh, it's a read only.
Okay.
The security.
Better approach is just right click on this folder and keep the shift key pressed. It will ask
Okay.
you to enter as a administrator,
That's right.
and then you can proceed easily.
So, right click on this folder and hit.
Shift key. Press the shift key. Press the
Okay.
shift key first. Right click,
Okay.
and then you'll see
It comes
you should
here.
see some administrator option on the top.
It will say log, open as the administrator.
Oh, okay. Let me check. Shift.
Looks like you're not an admin. Otherwise, it generally don't take that much time. Just click on a config and it will. If you're an admin login, then you can do it. Otherwise, you can try it with the CMD also.
Okay.
Okay, and just check the permission of these things via CH mode. If you can change the permission for that part also. For this folder, you can give the access to the everyone to read only, right? So.
Okay.
TIR. Oh, you are ops guy, so you know better than us. Yeah.
Just trying to see, like, oh, PWD this is something else. Hang on. CD. I don't go to that path if it lets me.
Yeah.
Oh, it says access is denied. Okay. Is there any other way to change it?
Yeah. So basically, point is there that you have to go till system 32 and then you have to check the permission of the config and you have to change the this thing to 777 level, right?
Right. Yeah.
That approach you can also try in case if not works.
Okay. Yeah. Let me try. Like, why?
Yeah.
Because I am the only one who accesses this system. Shouldn't be.
I mean, is it your personal laptop or is it office laptop?
No, it's a personal laptop. So,
Okay. Then you not.
Should you have read permission to view property? Is there any other user? So can I? Support doesn't find. It says save and
If it is left side, otherwise you have to try with another approach. Is it you are able to log in a config or not?
no, I'm unable to do that.
Okay, so no problem. I can tell you another workaround on that part. Can you go to the browser?
Yeah.
Browser. Can you go to the browser and in a browser, if you can, if you can open the Jenkins.io.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope you are aware about the WAR file concept, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can do it via the WAR concept also, right? So can you click on a downloads once again?
Okay.
Okay, here you can see the generic Java package .war file.
Yes,
Just
the
click
first
the
one.
down,
Yeah.
right? Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Just click, download it. In this approach, you may have to run this again and again, but that was like, standard way to, better way to do it.
Actually, I did on a Unix platform. I installed it like the standalone thing. But I'm not sure. It might be off now. I
It's
can
the
do it. Yeah.
admin access. Once you're going to log in with the admin user, or you're going to able to change the permission of your folder, it will work out.
Right.
So
Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So wherever you have the like a Jenkins.war is there. Now go to the command prompt and then run the Java space. Okay, or let me ping you the command.
Okay. I think it's in downloads. I can go there. Hang on. Yeah, it's right here. 6:14, right? 1:49 p.m. Yeah.
Okay, I just pinged you the one command on the chat window, or you can just type to the command prompt is a Java space -jar and then Jenkins.war.
Okay.
Right.
Hey viewers, trying to get into DevSecOps? Enroll for our DevSecOps certified professional programs and earn the certification that shows you are fit for these technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Let's see the downloads.
I hope Java is installed on your machine.
Yes, it is.
Okay, good.
Not there. Wait a minute.
Sure.
Let me.
No problem. Just click on the Jenkins.war and just do the right click and see the path. Right click and properties.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
Here it is. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Now can you run the Java?
Yeah. And
Type Java space -jar space Jenkins.war.
yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Now don't press the Control C. It is going to kill the instance.
Yeah.
So now it is working. Now you can go to the browser. Yes. Just allow the access.
Okay.
And now you can open the local host /8080.
Okay.
Don't try with the 8282 because here we have not changed the port. Okay, leave it and okay, 8080. Enter it. Okay, let it refresh. Okay, the same story. But here now the Jenkins folder .jenkins. Oh, I doubt you will be able to access in a .jenkins.
Users,
can you go to the C user, Rajiv?
Yeah, I'll go there.
Here also the admin issue will become, administration issue will become.
Okay, C users. Let me see .jenkins.
Third folder. From top third folder, yes, yeah.
Okay, till here it's fine.
Good. So is here you have the initiate. No, okay, go that place and the initiate.
Yeah, it's here.
Open it. Open this file.
Yeah. So,
Notepad. Open it. Yeah. And copy this. Yes, copy this and paste it there, and you're good.
Okay.
Just click on a continue.
Yeah, just trying to. Just give me a moment.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Click on continue. And yeah, so hold on at here. Yeah, click on a never this thing. So you have to understand, right? You know that Jenkins is a plug and play game, right?
Right. Yeah.
right? So now you have two options. One is whatever the recommended plugins you needed, and only those plugins you needed, then you have to click on the first one, which is by default selected. So you are good. The second option, if you want to choose the plugins, right? You want to decide what plugin you need it or not, then you have to click the second option, right? So you can want to go for the first plugin, then you can go ahead with the plus. Just click on enter and you are good.
Okay, so I'll go with the suggested one. Like, let's see. Yeah.
Right. We can install a plugin later stage also.
Yeah. Okay.
You can see that all the plugins are installing one by one. And right inside you can see it, right? Whatever you are seeing like OSEP markup formatters, more on a OSEP top 10 vulnerabilities, then the build timeout is there, then you have a timestamp bar is there, then the workspace cleanup is going to do it. And we don't use it these days. These days we are using the Maven or the Gradle only.
Right.
So even if
Yeah.
calling the and, we doesn't matter, right? We are not going to use that part. We generally use the Maven and a Gradle only, right? For the pipeline setting, for the Git, for the LDAP, for the email extension. Do you know why we need the email extension?
Email extension. Hang on.
Yeah.
Is it like, when something is done to send out an email to the team that this build is successful?
Correct. So if your build is fail, it is not going to fulfill all the quality gates, and you want to send the emails, or you want to, if job is going to trigger, if else going to fail that part, then you send the emails, then you have to email extension also. So these are the suggested that part. It's going to take hardly 30 seconds more, and you are good with the plugins, right? Now, you have to mention the username, password, confirm password, and your name and email address. But whatever the username password you're going to put it, you have to remember, because whenever you are going to open the localhost 8080, now you have to enter the password which you are going to set right now.
Okay, I'll keep something simple only. Admin kind of stuff.
Admin something, right? Yeah. So just a suggestion. At any moment you can change it. That's not a big deal.
Full name, email address.
Hey viewers, are you looking for formal training on SRE practices? Take our SRE program. This course will teach you how to successfully implement site reliability engineering in the modern day 24/7 services. Kickstart your SRE training today. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Okay, so this is your Jenkins URL. Okay, now you can save finish. Your Jenkins ready. Now you can click on the Jenkins. Okay, so now you're on a Jenkins console or Jenkins dashboard. So now Jenkins is set up on your machine. So any questions, any queries, how to set up these things, the things on that part?
No, I'm good with this one.
You're good with these things here?
Yeah.
In this approach, you may have to again in the Java and Hyper, which one of we told you the previous approach where one-time installation is only required, right? So that's the only difference on that part.
So one thing that if you want to stop it and start it, is it like, I know like in the Linux there we just go Jenkins systemctl Jenkins start and stop, that does that job. So over here, since it's on my local, how do we start and stop this? Is it like, just going through there and
now just type the control C. Press the control C.
Okay.
On the command prompt.
Yeah.
Now refresh the link.
Now what did you say? I didn't get you.
Refresh the link. Localhost 8080.
Okay,
refresh the link.
Okay.
It's gone. Right. But if you've done the installation previous way, right, then you don't have to start and stop again and again.
Okay.
Okay. In this approach, that's the problem. And each and every time is going to initiate the things, and you can do it. Okay.
So now how to restart it? Like just give Jenkins, like
Java. Okay. One more variation you should know, right? In case you want to switch with the port. In case you want to switch with the port, I am just pinging you in one more command. These are the small things, right? But at the when we are troubleshooting the issues now, that's like going to save us, right? So I just ping the one command where you can change the port also. So now we pointed to 8080. In case you want to point to the 8081, then you can do it. So
okay,
I just pinged you on the chat window.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I see. Okay. Did
Okay,
that.
so now this time I will change the port, right? So now you have to run the local host 8081.
Okay.
In case sometimes you're stuck with that part, so if you want to change the port, so that's the workaround.
Okay. Okay.
And these are like, you can say tips and tricks, but that's a very important tips and tricks, right? So it's going to take some time and it will work for you.
So one thing, because like, sometimes I'm just talking, they say like, I'm just talking about this CloudBees one. So sometimes they'll say like Jenkins is installed as a service. What does that mean? Like,
Okay, so do
in
you
terms of,
understand the SaaS-based model?
Sorry, what is that, because?
SaaS, S-A-S-S.
Yeah.
Okay,
Software as a service, I believe, right? Yeah.
software. Okay, so let me explain a more plainer and vanilla way, right? If I have two options, right? That if I have to go to the office from my home to the office, then I have to buy the car, right? If I'm going to buy the car, then what I have to do? I have to invest upfront for the car. I have to pay for the insurance fee. I have to pay the driver's salary in case I don't know how to drive it, right? Even you're using it or not using it, you have to pay the upfront cost, right? And that was a scenario in 2005 till 2008 or 2009, right? That if I have to go for deployment, this thing upfront, I will tell you how many servers I needed, configuration I needed, right? What's the cloud things? They are saying pay as per use. The same way we are having the Ola Uber, right? We can scale it, we can downgrade it, whatever things basically we want it. So basically, what they are selling you, basically Ola Uber, cab as a service. Cab as a service, right? Now, here in Jenkins, what you have done this thing is here you have set up own instance, right? So you invested time and energy to set up the things. Now the maintenance, port change, everything, you have to do it. You're getting my point? Okay. If you need a 2 instance, 3 instance, you have to set up your this thing. So you have to take care of the setup these things, you have to pay the cost. Jenkins free. That's a different story, right? And but you have to invest your time and energy, set up everything, configuration, other that part, maintenance and everything. Now, what's the CloudBees saying this thing is? But don't worry about that part. Okay. I am hosting the Jenkins tab on my servers.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't have to set up the things. So I am sending on a specialized server which is specially designed for the this type of setup that part, right? When you want like a plugin state, no worries, you don't have to configure about the plugins. So most of plugins you will be already there, right? And it will be there some of the customized plugin which is not available in a vanilla way because I am going to pay to me. I said customize what you need also. There are some of the commands which you have to run it or you have to write it as a part of process. There you have to just select it, right? So they are giving a complete package and they are saying, buddy, use it as a service.
Okay.
We're going to talk about a CloudBees or any other things, right? So everywhere the same story. So now you don't have to, now what you are doing these things, you are installing on your machine. If you want your team has to up and running, you have to your machine up and running and on the network.
Right.
You take care that on your machine for the installation you have admin or issue or not. The trouble issue which you face, that issue will not face with the CloudBees.
Okay.
Right? Because they installed, they done the setup and everything. You have to just access it. So they give me the one fancy UI, you have to just click on a button and you're good.
Okay.
You don't have to run the job, you don't have to shut down the server, you don't have to worry about the machine and everything. Every place you are good.
Okay.
Right? So now you can try and log in with the you're good?
Yep.
Right? So that's the only difference between a CloudBees and a TN. Whatever the pain you went right now, you don't have to take that pain with the CloudBees. And for this thing, they are charging the money. Okay. Once you're going to say the create a job, so here you have to write this code where you can drop and down, right? Drag and drop, separate state, drag and drop, and job will be written at the background.
Yeah.
And for that, all these facilities, we are going to pay the money. Otherwise, why somebody is going to pay the money? Jenkins is a plain vanilla thing.
Right. Yeah.
Right. So that's it. So if you're good with this Jenkins, CloudBees, and other one, this will be like a cakewalk for you. You just know that what are the relevant things they are providing to you. So that's the drag and drop you should know. That's it.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.